2 by 1 multiplexer. So 2 by 1 multiplexer means we have two inputs, one output, right? So the block diagram is like this. 2 by 1. Two inputs, I0, I1. And 2 by 1 means 2 power 1. So selection line is only 1. That is S naught. Okay. This is the truth table. Now let us find out the, this is the block diagram of 2 by 1. Now truth table. Second one is truth table. So we have input S naught and output F. Okay. So if S naught is equal to 0 means I naught is output. Okay. If S naught is equal to 1 means I1 is output. Okay. S naught means what? 0 means what? S naught bar. 1 means S naught. Right? Now F is equal to what? Either I naught or I1. Right? I naught or symbol means we write plus or I1. Right? Now I naught occurs when S naught is equal to 0. The expression is what? S naught bar. Right? If I1 is output if S naught is equal to 1. The expression is S naught. Okay. So this is the final Boolean expression. Minimized Boolean expression. Now draw the circuit for it. So I naught is input, S naught also input, I1 also input. So this is one AND gate, this is one AND gate. So draw the circuit. Two AND gates we required. First AND gate, second AND gate. Here plus operation is there. So one OR gate. So I naught, I1, I naught, I1. Next S naught bar. So S naught bar. Here S naught. So give directly here. Yes. So this is the 2 by 1 mux circuit. So this is one type of truth table. Another truth table, general truth table. I am explaining now general truth table. General truth table. General truth table means we write all inputs here. So here inputs are what? S naught, I naught, I1. Okay. S naught, I1, I naught. Okay. And F, output is F. This is output, remaining three are inputs. So here we have three inputs, right? We have three inputs. How many combinations occur? 8 combinations. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, triple 1. Right? This is one combination. Now I have to write F equation. So what is the purpose of multiplexer? Based on this selection line, output will occur. Right? Here, up to here, observe here. Up to first four numbers. S naught is 0. If S naught is 0 means output will be I naught, right? Output will be I naught. What are the I naught values here? 0, 1, 0, 1, right? I naught values. Next, if S naught is equal to 1, S naught is equal to 1 means we get I1. So here all our S naughts are equal to 1. Then output is I1. This is I1. So these values come here. So 0, 0, 1, 1. Right? So index values are what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0 to 7. Now sigma f. F is equal to sigma function. Once where once available 1 comma 3 comma 6 comma 7. 1 comma 3 comma 6 comma 7. Right? Now write the boolean k map. K map 0 1 3 2 4 5 6 7. Write in this order only here. So S naught, I1, I naught, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So write once now. 1, 3, 6, 7. So this is one pair, right? What is the value for this pair? Common terms is S naught bar. Here common is I1, I naught. So I naught. Next, this is one more pair. Common is S naught. This is S naught bar. This is S naught. So S naught. From these two columns, which one is common? One is common. That one is belongs to I1. So S naught I1. So final expression is S naught bar I naught S naught I1. See, both are same expressions. Using this also we get same expression. Using this also we get same expression, right? So mostly I preferred this type of truth table only for multiplexer. Okay, I use this type of truth table only instead of this one, because if inputs are increased, if suppose I take 8 by 1 multiplexer, what happens? Here 8 inputs, right? Here 3 selection lines. Total 8 plus 3, how many? 11, right? How many inputs? 11 inputs. Do you know K-map for 11 inputs? Hmm? Theoretically, can you do on paper this one? No, you can't do. There is a simulator for execution of more than 6 variables, etc. using K-map or tabular method. On paper, if you do this problem is it take more than 5 or 6 days. So this is the shortcut method to write the truth table. Okay, follow this method. This one is important. Okay, next, same 2 by 1 multiplexer. I am explaining using enable. 2 by 1 multiplexer using enable. Using enable. So what is the purpose of enable? Only single selection line as not output. So 2 by 1. What is the purpose of enable? If enable is 0, the circuit doesn't works. Circuit doesn't works. If enable is equal to 1, circuit works. Okay, this is the basic notation of enable. Okay, now means whenever enable is 0. Okay, here I input 0 0 0, then we get what output is 0. If I given 1 here and 1 here, 1 here, then also output is 0. Okay, because whenever enable is 0, output is always 0. Okay, whenever enable is 0, output is always 0. Whatever inputs it has, it doesn't care about inputs. It doesn't care about input. Whenever enable is 1, it cares about input. So truth table for it. Truth table for it. Enable is one input, right? S naught is another input. And F. Whenever enable is 0, S naught also 0, then output is not I naught. It is 0. Whenever enable is 0, S naught is 1, then also F is 0. So this condition is replaced with 0 don't care. Whatever S value, S naught value, we get always output 0. So these two lines will replace it like this. 0 don't care 0. Okay. Replaced by this one. Okay. Next. Enable is 1. S naught is 0. When S naught is 0 means we get I naught. Again enable is 1. S naught is 1. If S naught is 1 means we get I1. Okay. Now expression F is equal to output will be I naught over I1. Right. So I naught plus I1. I naught occurs when see I naught occurs when this one En is equal to 1, S naught is equal to 0 means En S naught bar. En S naught bar. Next I1 is equal to we get when 1 1 means En is equal to 1, S naught is equal to 1. Okay. So expression is En S naught. So we write here En S naught. Now circuit will be we have two AND gates. First AND gate, second AND gate, because this is one AND gate, this is second AND gate, and one OR gate. So I am taking OR operation. So this is F. Okay. Now inputs. What are the first AND gate inputs? En S naught bar I naught. So En S naught bar I naught. Right? Next, En. So En, same En we are using, so writing that one only. Next, S naught I1. Okay, so this is the circuit using enable. Let us see, observe here. You can make common En. What happened? Both S naught bar I naught S naught I1. So this is simply without enable equation, right? Without enable equation. This equation represents without enable, right? So what happened? F is equal to, whenever you use enable, enable into F without enable. Simply you can write like this. Enable into F without enable equation. Okay. This is the final expression for 2 by 1 multiplexer. Okay.